Hi, this is Bill Balak, and I had the Mitsubishi system installed in my house. And from day one, Rob came out, went through the whole house, took pictures, laid out the whole system. And then when the guys showed up, they did a great job. They worked full days. They worked for 3 days, and they got it done. This is an old house, so it's little more complicated than normal. Half the system runs under the house, the other half runs through the roof. And they are very professional. I was amazed. They vacuumed up each night before they left, and they answered all my questions as they're working. They asked me about things. What do I want? And with the adobe walls, they had to be mounted a certain way, and these guys knew what they were doing.
Run to the light. There we go.
So they're very professional, and they were all really nice. And they told me what they were doing, what they were going to do next. And we went through things, and
Everything was installed as per plan?
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
And they were done just for Christmas or New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. Nice and toasty in here. The units are amazingly quiet, and the outside units, you can be standing there and you feel the breeze, but you don't hear them. They're so good. So I'm happy with the crew, with the company. I'm happy with the system. It's great.
So you had a 5-zone system put in,
Yeah.
actually with 2 outdoor units
Yeah.
on either end of the house. And this house has got to be around 100 years old, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Built 1907.
And what did you have prior to the? Let's get that light back on there.
Prior to this, I had just window air conditioning, coolers originally, small box coolers, and then window air conditioners and gas wall heaters.
Wow.
Just one on each side. It had to heat up the whole side. So this, having each room's with its own unit, you can put the bedroom with a cooler at night, then warm it up. Like I said, it takes about 10 minutes to heat up the living room,
Yeah.
which is a big room with a high ceiling. So I'm happy with everything.
Very good. Well, we do thank you for your business, and I hope you have many happy years with the Mitsubishi mini split system.
I think I will.
All right.